Welcome to our next lesson in surds. Now we will do some problem in the surds. Uh, Theoretically there is not much to explain. You can, if you do some problem, you will know. So what is a surd? It is an irrational number with some square root. So we'll do some problem with that. So we must be able to rationalize the square roots as far as possible. Here 5 plus root 7 is there. So here this also will make it 4. This will make it 9 multiplied by 7. So 9 we can take out. Root 9 is 3. 3 if we take. So next what here we can make 4 sevens are 28. So 4 multiplied by 7. So root 7 is common in all. This factor, if you take root 9, it is 3. 3 multiplied by 4, it is 12. It is 12 root 7 plus 5 root 7 minus. No, root 7 is that. 4 if you take out, it becomes root of 4 is 2. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. 16 root 7. So 12 plus 5, 17 minus 16. 6 is equal to root 7. If you just add. So next problem. No. No. So this is cubed root of 32. 2 multiplied by, this is squared as 2 multiplied by cubed root of 32. 2. Now 32 we can write as 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4s are 32 cube root. So minus 3 cube root of 4 plus cube root of 500. This we can take it as 125 multiplied by 4 is 500 cube root. So we have to use some factors to know it is either 2 cube or 3 cube, it is 4 cube, or this 120 is 5 cube. So 5 cube we can take out. 5 cube root means it is 5. Now the first factor, cube root of 8 is 2. So 2, so cube root of 8 we can take out. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 multiplied by root 4 minus, now this is 3. Oh, sorry, this is cube root. Always write the cube root. Root of cube root of 4. 3 cube root of 4 plus 5 if you take out, 5 cube root of 4. So cube root of 4 is common in all. 4 plus 3 7. Sorry, 4 minus 3 1 plus 5 6 is equal to 6. It is cube root of 4. Cube root of 4, if you remember, it is just like 4 to the power 1/3. So we move to next problem. To solve the problem in surds, so you have to think whether it is, if it is cube root, you try, 2 cube, 3 cube, or 5 cube. So inside the square root, so that we can take out and try to find out the common denominator, common surd rather. So the next problem is, so the problem is giving a clue. If it is 4 root 7, you try. The other factors may be divisible by minus 3. This, what about 252? Is it divisible by 4? Yeah. So this is 64. You can 64 multiplied by 4. You try. No, not coming. So what about 252? 252. If you divide by 4, it is no, not divided by 4. If you divide by 7, 3 sevens are 21, 42, 6, 7. It is divisible by 7. Or, okay, the divisible by 16, you try. 1, 16 or 16, 92, 6, 9. Okay, it is divisible by 16. So 250 is equal to 16 multiplied by 7. 7, 6 are 42, 4, 7, 1 are 7, 1, 11. No, it is not 1, 16 or 16, 92. No, it is not divisible, but you try with 7. 3 sevens are 21, 42, 6 sevens are 42. So it is divisible. So it is 7 multiplied by 36. So this 252. So now we will try with 36 multiplied by 7 plus 5 root. The other, what about the 343? 343 we will divide by 7. 4 sevens are 28, 63, 9 sevens are 63. So it is 49 multiplied by 7. So it's equal to 4 root 7. Now this 36 we have root of 36 is 6. We can have 6 multiplied by 3, it is 18. You know, 18 root 7 plus similarly 49 if you take this is a 7 square. 40 if you take it becomes 7. 7 5s are 35. 35 root 7. Now root 7 is common. So 4 minus 18 plus 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. So if you add it is 21 root 7. Just add root 7 is common in all the three. So next problem. Find the sum of the following surds. So it is x root x plus y root y plus x square we can take out. X square if you take out root of x square is x. So this is 3x root x plus this is y square you can take out. Y this is y cube is y square multiplied by y. So this we can write as 4 into root of y square multiplied by y. Y square if we take would become y, isn't it? X root x plus y root y plus 3x root x plus 4y root y. Now this 4y root y, this y root y is common. So we will add the first and third x root x plus 3x root x x 4x root x plus 5y root y. So these problems, students, please try to repeat it so that you can do it faster. If you know the basics how to take out a root, then you know it is simple addition. So the third problem. So you have to add these things. So you have to find the common factor. So the root 12 you can write as root 4 multiplied by 3 plus root 5 is root 4 multiplied by 5 plus 3 root 3 plus 2 root 5. So wherever 45 is that, it is 5 nines or 45. minus root 40. No, what about this 90? 9 multiplied by 10 you can take. So what about this one? 2 if you can take out. This is 2 root 3. This is plus 2 root 5 plus next factor 3 root 3 plus 2 root 5. See, at least you have brought somewhere, you can add. What about this factor? 9 root of 9 you can take out. It is 3. 3 root 5 minus here 9 you can take out. Or instead of root 9 is 9 root 10. Yeah. 9 is, if you take it is 3. 3 root 10. So if you can add 2 root 3, 3 root 3. These two we can add. So it is 5 root 3, 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5. It is 4 root 5. Oh, sorry, 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 3. 2 plus 2 plus 8 is 7. Root 5 plus, sorry, this is not plus, now it's minus 3 root 10. So instead of that, now we will, instead of, see, we will do one more change, the last factor, So instead of this, we will try to, can you take in any other manner, 9 into 10? No, should remain, root 10 is root 10, that's all, root 2 multiplied by root 5. You can't simplify further, root 10. Next factor, next sum. So this is a multiplication. So fifth root of 10 multiplied by fifth root of 11. So when the root is same, it is simply internal factor, you can multiply 10 multiplied by 11, it is 110. It is fifth root. That is all the answer. You can simplify further this one. Next sum in this 80, root 80 multiplied by root 27, root 128. So it's a multiplication. So can you, so we will try to make it simpler. So root of, you can make root of 9 multiplied by 2. The next factor is multiplication. Root of 9 multiplied by 3. So what about this? 128. Now root 128. 128, how we can say 4 multiplied by 32, or you can say it is 8 multiplied by 16. This is much better. So this is multiplication, not addition. So if you take out 9, it is 3. It is 3 root 2 multiplied by, it is 9 root 9. If you root 9, if you take out, it is 3 multiplied by 3 root 3 multiplied by, you can now take 16. It is 4 square, multiplied by 4 root 8. Or root 8 also you can say it is 4 multiplied by 2. So this 2 we can take out. So it's equal to 3 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 3. And by this if you take, it's 4 is 2. 2 fours are 8. 8 root 2. So this root 2 and root 2 if you multiply, it becomes 2. 2, 3, no. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8. 3 3s are 9. 9 8s are 72. This root 2 into 2 is 2. 72 into multiplied by 2 is equal to, so like this, it is 72 root 2 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 2. 2 into root 2 into 2 is 2. So it's equal to 144 root 3. This is the answer. So in this third, students will should try different problems, and check with the answer. The basic principle is you try to solve as much as possible, to make it a simple set instead of. Next, find the product by finding common power, that is LCM. See, in some cases, cube root of 3 multiplied by square root of 2. So we cannot, simply multiply like this. So this root should be common, for multiplication. So what we do, but here root 3, here it is root 2, here root 3, here root 2. The common is only root 6. If you multiply both, root 6 is the common between these two. Sorry, rather telling like this, not cube, not this way. It is cubed root. Cubed root is 3. This is 2. So the common is not root 3, cubed root and square root. So what we have to make? Cubed root of 3. So we can write this as 3 to the power 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 to the power half. So instead of 3 to the power 1/3, now what we do is 3 to the power 1/3, you multiply by 4 by 4. Then what will happen? 3 to the power 4. So this remains as it is. 3 to the power 1 equal to 3 to the power 4 by 12. Or we can say No, it is 3 to the power. Oh, it is 2 by 6. Not in this way. We can multiply and divide by 2. That is better. So 3 to the power 2 by 6 is 3 square. This is 3 square. Sixth root. 3 square is 9. It is root of 6. Similarly, it is 2 to the power of half, you multiply and divide by 3. Then 2 multiplied by 3 will become this equal to 2 to the power 3 by 6 is equal to 2 cube is 8. 8 to the power 1 6. Or we can tell sixth root of 8. Now these two we can multiply. Sixth root of 9 and sixth root of 8 is equal to 9 eighths of 72. Now sixth root of 72 is the right answer for this. So between cube root and square root we have to. So next problem. Here it is cube root. Here fifth root. So what is between 3 and 5 common is LCM is 50 is the LCM. So what you have to do? So cube root of 4 is 4 to the power 1 by 3. This you multiply and divide by 5. And here 2 to the power 1 by, you multiply and divide by 3. So this way we have to make. Here 4 to the power 5 means 4 multiplied by itself 5 times. So 4 multiplied by itself 5 times. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 into 4 cube. 4 cube is 4 and 16 into 4 are 64. If you multiply these two, 4 16s are 64, 6 and 6, 102. So it's 1024. 4 to the power 5 is 1024. So here you can write this as 4 to the power 5 is 1024. 3 multiplied by 15, 15th root. So you can write as 15th root. This is the first part of the answer. This is for 1 5. Okay. Multiply by second part. 2 multiplied by, instead of 1 by 5 we are multiplying divided by 3. So this is 2 cube divided by 15. 2 cube is 8. 2 to the power 3 is 8. What is the root? To the power 1 by 15, that is 15th root. So if we multiply these two, this is 15th root, this is also 15th. So we can multiply both. Is equal to 8 4s are 32, 3 8 2s are 16 plus 4. 16 plus 3. It's 19, 1, 8 ones are 8. So we have the product and root is 15. 15th root of 8192. Or it is simply 8192 to the power 1 by 50. So we have to multiply the cubed root and sixth root, we have to find out the LCM and do it. So the third problem, now we can write this as 3 to the power 1 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 1 by 6. Now between 3 and 6, 6 is the common. So 6 we can maintain. That equal to 3 to the power. So 1 by 3 it is 2 by 6 multiplied by 5 to the power 1 by 6. So 3, 3, 2 by 6 is 3 square. 3 square, 6th root. So we are read like this. 3 square is 9 equal to 9 to the power 1 6 multiplied by 5 to the power 1 6. 9 into 5 is 45. 40 to the power of 1 6, or we can write as 45 6th root of 3 root 3. You just check. So with this we have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you for listening this patiently. And so what we have seen in this insert, so we will try to find out the common factors and group it simply. If we are good at finding the common factor, we can easily make out. That is all. So in problems, they give the common factors of they are giving a clue. For example, the third problem, 4 root 7, root 7 must be a common factor. You try other with the 7, you will get the remaining factors. So we should try to group in such a way we can take out some like factors like 36, 49, it is 7 square or 6 square, we can take out so that we can group the rest easily. So to find out the product of with the different roots, one is cube root, one is different root, means we have to use the method of LCM. We have to find out the common multiple factor and try to adjust the terms in such a way we have to multiply and divide by such a factor so that the power will become same. Right? The first problem is the cube root and this is square root. So between 3 and 2 LCM is 6. So we have to make such a manner that should be 6th root of the factor. Then we can combine both the factors. So the second sum, cube root and 5th root. So the LCM is 15. So thank you for listening. Please go through the sums and work out some more problems to get practice. Thank you.